Hello and welcome to UberPad, India's first smart AV e-commerce store. Listening to a great surround sound mix in a well-equipped, properly set up and optimized home theater system is an amazing experience. But there are many common misconceptions about surround sound systems. There is also the long-standing debate of surround sound versus stereo. In this video, we are going to debunk some common myths about surround sound. Before we go debunking, please subscribe to our channel. Also, hit the bell icon to get notified every time we post a new video. Now, let's dive in. There is a common myth that everything sounds better in surround sound setups than it does in stereo. This is simply not true. There are countless variables that dictate how good or bad a surround mix is. This could be the following: the skill of the mix engineer, the room in which the sound is mixed, the room in which the end user will listen to the mix, the wiring and configuration of the end user setup, and finally, is the content delivery platform ready and compatible to decode critical information? Another myth that has landed our way is that surround sound is better because there are more speakers. On the surface, this myth may appear to make sense. A surround setup is aimed at immersing the audience in a 360-degree envelope of sound. That's why there are more speakers. In reality, many speakers such as surrounds and height effects are not even in active use at all times. Sure, surround sound setups tend to get louder. But since when is louder better? Besides, if not tuned right, a bad surround sound setup can be jarring and lead to faster ear fatigue. In simple words, surround setups are largely for movies, TV shows and gamings, and stereo setups are for a pure music listening experience. Another popular myth we have heard is that a subwoofer isn't really necessary. When it comes to surround sound, it's absolutely required. That's because the subwoofer is not only handling the low frequencies that your soundbar or satellite speakers cannot, it is also responsible for playing back the low frequency effects channel, that is, the 0.1 in a 5.1 surround sound mix. In a typical home theater surround sound playback system, the subwoofer reproduces the low end of all the main channels using bass management circuitry built into most AV receivers. This is a crossover network that directs the bass information into the subwoofer. By utilizing the subwoofer for what it does best, that is, reproducing low-end information, helps lighten the load on your other speakers so that the overall sonic picture is tight and clean. We also recommend having two smaller subs for a tighter bass response and better placement options. A huge misconception that exists is that speaker positioning is not that important. Again, not true. If anything, speaker placement is more critical to getting the full surround experience as intended by those who created the content. Unfortunately, many users position their speakers in a less optimal way. This can cause the audio to be smeared, muffled, or improperly scattered throughout the room. Luckily, high-quality calibration technologies can save the day. Finally, there is a myth that Dolby Atmos setups are more expensive and out of reach. Again, not true. This was the case a few years ago when the technology was rare and expensive. Now, however, mass adoption by manufacturers and content creators is making it common and thereby cheaper. Working closely with experts from UberPad can help you get a great setup within your budget. Don't get us wrong, surround sound is a wonderful format for experiencing music and film when done correctly and listened to in an optimized environment. But there is a reason why stereo has still stuck around all these years. It is still the easiest and sometimes the best way to enjoy audio. Both surround and stereo setups have their pros and cons. We hope this video has cleared a lot of your doubts. Do you have anything to add? Use the comment section to share your thoughts. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Also, subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media for more such interesting and informational videos. Thank you for watching.